Rare opportunity to own a first-floor condo in Blackburn Cove, minutes from the beach. This 2-bedroom 2-bath condo features an open floor plan that creates a spacious airy feel throughout the living room, kitchen, and dining area. It's an end unit, with a very private feel and an attached 1-car garage. The kitchen's open design makes entertaining easy, and there's a breakfast bar that would serve guests well at any time of day. Roomy closet pantry. The bedrooms are found at the back of the home, with space between for added privacy. A large entryway opens into the master suite, which features an ensuite bath. Dual vanities and extra cabinet space to spread out, plus a large tiled walk-in shower. The walk-in closet offers ample room for any fashionista. Just in case, the second bedroom has a walk-in closet as well. The second bath features a shower/tub combo and dual vanities. A separate laundry room includes a utility sink, washer and dryer, new last year, along with a wall of cabinets for additional storage. Relax on the recently rescreened lanai, which also has new floor covering. Or walk just a few steps to the lovely heated community pool and poolside cabana. Blackburn Cove is a small condo community developed in 2006 with just 16 units, located only 2 miles from NOKOMIS Beach and 3 miles from Oscar Scherer State Park. Also nearby, the Legacy Bike Trail, retail, restaurants and shopping, and the new hospital. Convenient to all that both Sarasota and Venice have to offer. Schedule a showing ASAP.